We want to thank you for convening the meeting that the judiciary requested. And you are all agreed. Those in the judiciary now agree that corruption is a problem. Those of us in the legislature agree that we have a problem of corruption in Kenya. Those of you, Your Excellency, serving under your leadership in the executive, you have also considered that indeed corruption is a cancer that we must deal with. I want to give you the highest assurance, Your Excellency, as your majority leader in the National Assembly, that whatever policy, administrative or legislative interventions that you require from Parliament, we shall be at the forefront of ensuring that those administrative, policy or legislative reforms are enacted to help us deal with the cancer and scourge of corruption and state capture in this country. Your Excellency, don't worry about those who are making noise at you. That you agreed at the request of our judiciary to convene a meeting to discuss the question of corruption. Your Excellency, those who are opposed to this discussion are beneficiaries of corruption and state capture, past state capture in this country. And Your Excellency, since you have told us that we must within a few days or in a month or so be able to have immediate short-term and long-term interventions. Your Excellency, unajua, I have a small proposal that I will be bringing to the table, that in the medium term to the long term, for this country to be able to address the question of corruption, we must institute a state capture commission that we will deal decisively with how people who hold offices in this country use their offices to capture the state and perpetuate corruption as a norm or as a way of life in public office, Your Excellency. I will therefore be presenting proposals, Your Excellency, be it to the executive, to the judiciary, and even to Parliament, on the establishment of a state capture commission to help us to decisively deal with the scourge and the cancer of corruption in our country. Sitaki niseme zaidi ya hayo, Mheshimiwa Rais. Najua nimesikia hii Nakuru ni county wa mama ndio wanasema na wanaume tunasikiza. Na ni kweli, sababu ukiangalia kutoka hapa hii Gilgil constituency, Mheshimiwa Mother akiongea bunge, sisi wote, hata mimi, huyu tu Mother ndiye anaweza kuniambia bunge, majority leader sit down, na nakaa chini bila kuuliza swali. Sababu she is our first chairperson of the speakers panel kutoka